Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to convert a CSV file into an Excel file quickly and easily. Step 1. Import the CSV file. Start by opening a blank Excel file. Go to the Data tab at the top. Click on From Text CSV. A window will open. Here, select your CSV file and click Import. Step 2. Review the preview window. Excel will now show you a preview of your data. Most of the time, Excel detects everything correctly, but if something looks wrong, for example, numbers not aligned or text appearing in the wrong columns, then check these options. Delimiter. Make sure it matches the delimiter used in your CSV file, commas, semicolons, tabs, etc. File origin. You can change this if your file uses a different encoding. Data type detection. You can set it to automatic or turn it off depending on your needs. For this example, we will keep everything default. Once everything looks correct, click Load. Excel will import all the data into your sheet. Step 3. Edit and save as Excel file. Now your data is fully loaded and you can format, edit or analyze it however you want. To convert it into an Excel file, simply go to File, Save As, choose the location and select Excel workbook.xlsx. And that's it. Thanks for watching.